Hey everyone, this is Moose with HID Nation. Just wanted to welcome you to our channel and spend a few minutes today discussing the differences between HIDs and LEDs, since that's the most common question that we get. So HID bulb stands for high intensity discharge bulbs. These are more commonly known as xenon bulbs, and the way they work is there's two electrodes on the inside, and an electrical arc passes through these two electrodes, and that's what generates the lights. It's ignited using a ballast which comes with every single one of our HID kits. We'll get into ballast in another video, but just to give you an idea of the type of light that's produced from these HID bulbs, they're known for having that really blue tinge which you might see on some headlights just driving around, but they are, compared to what you see on traditional halogen bulbs, significantly brighter, at least 2 times brighter than the halogens, a lot whiter, and way more efficient than those old school bulbs that we're used to seeing. Like I mentioned, they come in quite a bit of different heat and color ranges. We carry all of them on our website, hidnation.com, and it ranges from your 3000K, which is a golden yellow color, up to the 4300K, which is more of a pure white color. And then we get 6000K bright white, and then the brightest range, which is 8000K, which is an ice blue, and the 10,000K deep blue, which actually has a slightly purplish hue to it as well. Alright, so switching over to our LED bulbs. Now on our website we carry the full range of LEDs for any vehicle that's out there on the market at the moment. Now these are completely different to the HIDs. LED standing for light emitting diode. Now the technology, like I said, is completely different to the HIDs. These don't have any type of filament. Rather, a charge is passed through a semiconductor, and that's really where the light is generated from. It's a very nice bright white color, gives you good coverage on the road, and it's a really nice bright white color, as I was saying. Very efficient bulbs. The only thing is they do generate a bit of heat, which is concentrated on one area known as the heat sink. And to combat this, you'll notice a lot of our bulbs do come with fans which help dissipate that heat, or even on our really top-end premium LEDs, you'll see these heat dissipating loops, and that helps with removing that heat that comes from the heat sinks. Now, as I mentioned, you see a different range of colors from the HIDs and from the LEDs, but both produce a really bright color which will help with your visibility on the road. Please visit our website, hidnation.com. You can shop the full range of HID kits, LED kits, and countless other types of lights that you need for your vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be back with another video.